Christie's Auction House unveiled its collection for the Frieze Art Fair in London. One of the most closely watched lots on sale will be a painting by artist Damien Hirst. The painting is expected to raise $4 to $5.6 million.
What seems like a sort of a beautifully composed painting is actually made entirely of butterflies. The colour that creates them is entirely from the butterflies themselves. So you're looking at a painting which is very much about death, but is vibrant with life.
It is the most important work by the artist to be auctioned since his one-man sale at Sotheby's in 2008. Hirst shocked the art world by raising about $175 million on the eve of the Lehman Brothers collapse. Christie's also unveiled their top 3 lots for their upcoming New York sale next month. Art by Andy Warhol, Roy Lichtenstein, and Gerhard Richter are expected to raise at least $80 million. CBSNews.com, I'm Felipe Maya.